Welcome back, everyone. This is Tyler once again for 643, bringing you a Buy It Now box of Playbook and Crown Royale. First of all, here's the team list for Playbook. Thanks a lot to everyone who sold this out so quickly. Anyone who got 3 teams or more is going to get a hockey pool player for their roster. So, first of all, we've got a player for Chuck. You've got Raquel for the Anaheim Ducks. Then for B. Martin, you've got Stone for the Calgary Flames. For Bummer Boy, you've got a top 10 defenseman, Klingberg for the Dallas Stars. Flyer Honey, top 10 defenseman for Roman Josi for the Nashville Predators. Johnny Canuck. Brian, you got yourself Anderson, goaltender for the Senators. Lennox Matt. You've got Zajac, Winnipeg native for the New Jersey Devils. Netrider. You've got the Great 8, Alex Ovechkin. Congratulations, Renault. And Phil, 62. Phil, you've got yourself Manson for the Anaheim Ducks. Extra players. First of all, for B. Martin, I've got 2 of them. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins for Bill. And Jost for the Colorado Avalanche. Then we've also got one for Chuck. All 4 kinds. You've got Tomas Hertl for the San Jose Sharks. Alright, first hit in the box of Playbook is going to get a 643 collector card. The last card out of the pack is going to get a free spot in a box of black. Good luck, you guys. Alright, the first hit is for the San Jose Sharks, Joel Pavelski. That is going to Flyer Honey, numbered out of 249. Andrew, you've got yourself a Blue Nose 87 Team Synergy autograph card. Montreal Canadiens, card number 6 out of 7. Hey, welcome, Renault. It worked. Worked for you. Alright, so the Pavelski and the Blue Nose is going to the San Jose Sharks. Then we got a Bo Bennett for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Dual jersey autograph numbered out of 199. Pittsburgh was Phil, 62. So Phil, congratulations. I think I now have 3 playbooks to send you with the next shipping day. Next up we got a Nashville Predators breakout of Seth Jones numbered out of 199. That one is going to Johnny Canuck. Brian, congratulations. And the last card standing is Jacob Markstrom. A 1 of 1 for the Florida Panthers. And B. Martin, congratulations, Bill. You got yourself a purple 1 of 1. As you can see right there. So not only do you get the 1 of 1 and the last card standing, B. Martin also gets a free spot in a box of 1516 black. Congratulations, buddy. Alright, let's move along to the break of Crown Royale. I'll get you guys the team list. It looks like this. Same bonuses apply. So first of all, 3+ team winners. We've got a hockey pool roster player for all 4 kinds. Kulikov for the Sabres. Then for Jack, Braden Holtby. Jack, you've got yourself a top 5 goaltender. Flyer Honey, you've got an NHL wild card. Congratulations, Andrew. Pick any player you want for your hockey pool. Golf Nut, you've got Hjalmarsson for the Chicago Blackhawks. Johnny Canuck 3, you've got Miller for the Boston Bruins. Netrider, Renault, you've got a top 10 defenseman, Carlson for the Sens. And NJ Devilsman, your hockey pool gains Thomas Tatar for the Detroit Red Wings. Sean, 1989, you've got a top 5 goaltender, and he's your very own Tuukka Rask. And last but not least, Therm, you've got yourself TJ Oshie for the Washington Capitals. Next up, we got an extra pull for Bummer Boy. You got Jordan Eberle. all four kinds. You've got Kyle Turris and Bummer Boy. You've got Chicago Blackhawks wild card. Mr. Wild Card comes up big again. There is what I'm doing tonight, you guys. Updating all those roster players. And then in addition to those, we also have the auction breaks. Alright. Good luck, everyone. Here is the Crown Royal serial number. As advertised. First hit gets a 643 collector card. The last card out of the pack is going to get a free spot in a box of Upper Deck Black. This is a recording. Good luck, everyone. Come on, meow. Still not? Come on. There we go. Ooh, we got something die-cutty. For the Boston Bruins, a nice patch of Ryan Spooner, number 3 out of 25. Going to Sean, 1989, and the Bruins. Sean, you got the first hit. You got a 643 collector card. You've got a Jonathan Taves, Captain Sirius, 643 notable names. Unsigned version. That's going to the Boston Bruins. Pack number 2. Man, these ones are giving me trouble today. Got a hit. Rookie royalty, Ruby for the Carolina Hurricanes, number 99 of Brett Bellamore. That one's going to Johnny Canuck. Brian. We got a Charlie Coyle heirs to the throne jersey for the Minnesota Wild and Flyer Honey. Ooh, we got an autograph. It is for the Nashville Predators. It is the newly retired Mike Fisher, Mr. Underwood. Going to Nashville and Johnny Canuck. Fellow believer for you, buddy. And last pack. Good luck, everybody. Last card standing. It's a free spot in black. First of all, we got a hit for the New Jersey Devils. An autograph numbered out of 499 of Harry Pessonen. That's going to Netrider, Renault, the Janitor. And the last card standing is Mike Fisher as well. Going to Johnny Canuck. Congratulations, Brian. Free spot in a box of Upper Deck Black from 1516. Alright guys, thanks a lot for participating in the breaks. I'm going to have these uploaded and on YouTube for you guys. Have yourselves a great week. I am off to Bemidji, Minnesota with the wife for 3 nights. And so PJ is going to be doing the auction tomorrow night on Monday, so make sure to check out that. Have a great week, you guys.